All right, and welcome back. Well, Wednesdays here on the program, we like to put the spotlight on the farm women's group, Common Ground.
Common Ground is a group of farm women who want to be a resource for consumers who want to know more about how their food is grown. In this segment, we are hearing from a volunteer from the Springview area on why farm chores are some great benefits for kids this summer.
Well, it's always great to get young people on the farm. And joining me now with more on this is Amy Johnson with Common Ground. Amy, it's good to see you today.
Thanks for having me back, John.
Of course, this is a time of year when kids can get out to the farm. Maybe tell us a little more.
John, it's officially summer break and we're in full summer mode. So school's out and kids are home off break. So this means there's a few extra hands that are around the farm and ranch to help with chores. Let's talk candidly for a second that there is nothing wrong with giving kids a few chores to keep them busy, plus lighten our load as parents a little bit. It's a win-win. So keeping kids busy on their summer provides a tractor loads of benefits. Giving kids chores is appropriate to their age and size and ability, gives them a sense of responsibility and a sense of pride. But most of all, it provides those kids and the next generation with firsthand knowledge of where our food comes from. If we as parents are giving our kids hands-on experiences, that's what happens on our farms and ranches, then we're gifting them the knowledge of the quality and the care that goes into the food that we eat. As parents, as employers, coworkers, and business owners, we know exactly what qualities we want to see in the staff that we have. And giving kids a few chores over summer break provides them with benefits that are going to reap throughout their life. Kids who were given an opportunity to work, they have been proven they have got good work skills, a good work ethic, responsibility, critical thinking, flexibility, initiative, perseverance, what it means to be a team player, and respect and humility. And those lessons can be really hard to learn, but sometimes even harder to teach as parents. So beginning with a few simple chores on the farm is a great start. But truly, this is a win-win for summer break. The best part about kids getting them a few chores is they quite literally know where their food comes from.
All right, Amy. Yeah, that is great. And there's nothing better than working on the farm. You are coming back in a little bit with a recipe to share.
I am. I can't wait for I haven't planted my garden, but it's almost in. And I can't wait for my bell peppers to come. And I've got a buffalo chicken stuffed pepper recipe that I want to share with everyone.
Sounds good. We'll see you in a few minutes.